In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install MetaTrader 5 on Windows. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the official MetaTrader 5 download page or your broker's website where they provide the MT5 desktop app for Windows. Look for a button that says something like Download for Windows or MT5 for Desktop. Click it and your computer will begin downloading an installer file, typically named MT5 Setup.exe. You'll usually find it in your Downloads folder. A quick safety tip here: only download MT5 from the official MetaTrader site or a trusted broker. This helps you avoid malware and ensures you get the legitimate, up-to-date version. Once the file has downloaded, go to your Downloads folder and double-click the MT5 Setup.exe file to run it. If Windows shows a prompt asking whether you want to allow the app to make changes to your device, click Yes. That's the standard user account control message, and it appears whenever you install software. You should now see the MetaTrader 5 installation wizard on your screen. In the Setup window, review and accept the license agreement if prompted, then click Next. You'll be asked where to install MT5. The default location is perfectly fine for most users, so you can leave it as is. Click Install to begin. The installer will download and place all necessary components on your system, which can take a minute or two depending on your internet speed. When it's done, click Finish to complete the process. After installation, you'll find a MetaTrader 5 icon either on your desktop or in your Windows Start menu. Double-click the icon to launch the program. The first time MT5 opens, it may take a moment to initialize everything, so give it a few seconds to load all essential elements. When MT5 starts, a login window should appear. Enter the account number and password provided by your broker or from your demo or live account registration. Make sure you select the correct trading server from the list. Your broker will specify which one you should use. After filling in those details, click Login. If the credentials and server are correct, you'll be connected, and you'll see the platform populate with market data, charts, and your account information. That's it. You've downloaded, installed, launched, and logged in to MetaTrader 5 on Windows. Keep your installer from a trusted source, and consider pinning MT5 to your taskbar for quick access. Enjoy exploring the platform and setting it up the way you like.